Hospitals save lives, but they also generate wastewater filled with harmful chemicals, drug residues, and bacteria. If left untreated, this sewage pollutes water bodies, harms the environment, and poses serious health risks. That's why a hospital sewage treatment plant, STP, is essential. It ensures safe clean water, legal compliance, water recycling cost savings, eco-friendly operations. Hospital wastewater goes through multiple stages, from solid waste removal to advanced disinfection, making water safe for reuse or disposal. At Varuna Waters, we provide advanced, modular STP solutions designed for easy installation, low maintenance, and maximum efficiency. Together, let's build a sustainable and healthier future. Contact Varuna Waters for customized hospital wastewater treatment solutions.